Hi everybody, this is Darian, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I will make something very interesting. I will turn Meghan Markle's amazing Oscar de la Renta dress into the unique hand-painted shirt, and I will make it in a very artistic way. And here is the shirt I will paint on white fabric shirt, and here is my fabric paints. So let's create. First I will put shirt on the man mannequin as it's more easy to paint on it as it doesn't have breast. And now I will paint the black stripe as Meghan Markle's dress has this black part at the waist area. And I'm not trying to create exact copy of this dress design, but I took the idea and trying to create something slightly different. For this short painting, I will use just black color fabric paint. This shirt is size large and will fit me like an oversized shirt, and I think that a shirt with this design will be more beautiful as an oversized shirt. I created this sketch, I painted birds flying in different directions, and this sketch will be very helpful for me when I will paint birds on the shirt. And now I begin to paint birds on the shirt. The idea of my design is that birds are escaping from this black area, and I think that this way my design will be more expressive than design on the Meghan Markle's dress. And now I will put short bake on the female mannequin and I will splatter black paint. And painting is finished. What do you think about this shirt? Write me your thoughts in the comments below and hit the like button if you liked it. Don't know, maybe it doesn't look same chic like Meghan Markle's amazing dress, but it has some drama, some expression. I love it. If you want to learn more about painting on clothes, about fabric paints, I use all the tips and tricks. You can watch my educational videos. I put the links in the description below. And stay tuned because soon I will turn one more amazing dress into the hand-painted shirt and it will be very interesting. See you, bye bye!